Bed bugs, those blood-sucking nightmares of bedtime nursery rhymes, are back.
Bed bugs are what we call ectoparasites. That means they feed externally on our blood. They have to eat our blood to survive.
Bed bugs were largely eradicated in the U.S. by the 1940s thanks to heavy-duty pesticides that also controlled ant and cockroach populations.
Now we have all new ways of controlling things like cockroaches and ants. We don't use so many residual insecticides. That's a good thing. The bad thing is the bed bugs that were being controlled by those residual pesticides are now coming back and exploding.
That and an increase in global travel to countries where bed bugs are still common have all contributed to the insect's reemergence. The National Pest Management Association reported a 71% increase in calls about the critters since 2001. Websites like bedbugger.com have sprung up to offer tips on prevention and eradication, while online databases help travelers avoid motels and hotels where infestations have been found. Still, for anyone who's had bed bugs, there's no denying the stigma and embarrassment attached to it.
But frankly, bed bugs are not an indication that you're an unclean housekeeper or that you're messy or that you live in squalor. Bed bugs can show up anywhere.